So when should you use MMC? Like we talked about, you want to use it when you want to better control the entire condition of geometry and size together. You want to use it if you want to give manufacturing a variable tolerance that focuses on the effect of geometry and size together, rather than controlling both values separately. Production would have the option now to target closer to the LMC to allow for a larger geometric tolerance, while still maintaining function. This means that parts can be manufactured even cheaper. One of the best reasons to use MMC is to allow the use of functional gauging to quickly determine if the part is within its size and geometric tolerance at the same time. You do this by checking the virtual condition of the part with a gauge. With MMC, you can guarantee 100% assembly and interchangeability of your parts. It's used commonly on parts within tight-fitting assemblies to ensure that they always fit properly. Another common use is for bolted connections. They require MMC on the bolt pattern to ensure that when connected, the bolt will always be able to thread through the hole. You cannot use MMC everywhere, however. It only applies to certain geometric symbols. The 6 geometric symbols that the least material or maximum material modifier can apply to are straightness, flatness, parallelism, perpendicularity, angularity, and position. And a special note, in the ISO standards, MMC can also apply to concentricity or symmetry. This is, however, extremely rare, and this can be accomplished with position in the ASME standard. Now remember, MMC is only used when a feature of size is controlled, so you cannot apply it to surface straightness or surface parallelism.